Today we'll discuss about the next perform statements. So how will you validate the given conditions? So in previous class, we completed about the simple inline, simple outline, and perform n times. So by using these perform statements, without conditions, we performed. So with condition means we used to use perform until, perform varying, and conditional statements if and evaluate. Okay. Without conditional, without condition we completed. Now with conditions. Okay. So to validate the given condition, perform until and varying, we'll see today. So note point, using perform until and perform vary, we can validate the given conditions. If the condition is false, okay, if the condition is false, then enter into the loop and execute the loop. Okay. If the condition is true means terminate the loop. Understand? Respond. If the condition
Yes, Mani.
if the condition is false means entering into the loop and execute the loop. If the condition is true, terminate the loop. Okay, terminate means exit. Okay. So while
Okay,
using
ma'am.
this perform until and perform varying, we must and should follow the 3 steps. Means initialization means from which variable we have to start, and next condition checking and increment and decrement. Okay. So in the increment and decrement should be executed if the given condition is false only. So and in this increment and decrement is a part of the looping paragraph. So inline means loop, outline means paragraph. Okay. Clear.
Yes, Mani.
So while coming to this perform until, based on the condition checking, execute the loop or para and number of times. So there are 2 types, inline and outline. Okay. We'll see this infinite loop in the next class. So infinite loop means there is no increment and decrement. Less than means subtraction, greater than means addition. Okay. So mm, I want to print hi message by using inline, declaring a 01 I picture class 9 of 2 bytes. Okay. Move 1 to I means I am moving 1 to WS I variable. Perform until I greater than 5. This is my condition. Perform until I greater than 5. What is the value of I moving I to? Moving 1 to I means the value of I is 1. The condition is 1 greater than 5. Okay. Now condition false. So entering into the loop and display high. First high will be displayed. Add 1 to I. Now I value is 2. Okay. So now the control goes to condition checking 2 greater than 5. Okay. Again control goes to display statement. Display high. Okay. Next add 1 to I. I value is 3. 3 greater than 5. Control goes to display statement. Display high. Add 1 to I. Now I value is 4. 4. Control goes to condition checking. 4 greater than 5. Control goes to a display statement. Condition false. Entering into the loop. Display high. Next, add 1 to I value 5, condition checking, 5 greater than 5, entering into the loop and display high, add 1 to I value 6, 6 greater than 5, true, loop is terminated. Now the control goes to end perform. Okay.
This one. Money.
Yes.
For the fifth time, it will print high,
Yes.
but 5 is not greater than 5 now.
Yes.
Not smaller than 5.
It is equal, no. So the
Okay,
condition
for
is
equal also it will print. Huh?
the condition is what here? What is the operator we are using? Equal, sorry, greater than 5,
Yeah.
greater than 5. It is false,
Yeah.
no. 5 is equal to 5. That is not the condition we are not writing.
Yes. Right.
So the condition is false. So
Okay.
it displays high.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Shamla ma'am, clear?
Yes, Money.
So same program using outline until. So initializing I variable with picture class 9 of 2 bytes of memory. Move 1 to I. Okay. Now perform para 1 until I greater than 5. Okay. So now control goes to para 1. Okay. And inside the para 1 we can see. Oh no. Initialization move 1 to I. Okay. Control goes to second time the control goes to condition checking 1 greater than 5. Now the control goes to para 1 and display high. Okay, first high will be displayed. After that in para add 1 to I. Add 1 to I value 2. Go to control goes to condition checking 2 greater than 5. And control goes to para 1 and display high. Add 1 to I value 3. Control goes to condition checking 3 greater than 5. Control goes to para 1 and display high. Add 1 to I value 4. Control goes to condition checking 4 greater than 5. Control goes to para 1 and display high. Add 1 to I value 5. Control goes to condition checking 5 greater than 5. Now control goes to para 1 and display high. Add 1 to I. 6 greater than 5. Condition is true. Terminate the loop. Okay.
Stop.
Clear about
Yes.
this inline until and outline until?
Yes, Money.
Yes, Money.
Next question. Next, perform varying. Okay. By using based on the condition checking, execute the loop or para number of times. So in this initialization, condition checking, increment, decrement, I can keep in the perform varying statements. Means I can keep this initialization, condition checking, increment and decrement in a perform statement only, perform varying statements only. Here also two types, inline varying and outline varying. So in inline varying 01 I picture class 9 of 2 value 0. What is the value of I? 0. Okay, initially I value is 0. So coming to perform varying I from 1. I from 1 means what? Initialization. By 1 means increment until I greater than 5. It is condition checking. Okay. So first the control goes to perform varying I from 1 means I starts from the 1. Now the control goes to condition checking 1 greater than 5. Okay. Now the control goes to inside the loop and display high. Okay. So here I don't write any outputs. Okay. So display high. High will be displayed. Okay. Next, the control goes to increment and decrement. Here the increment is by 1 addition. By 1 means now I value is 2. 2 greater than 5. Entering into the loop and display high. Okay. Same like
Yes,
that, the loop will be repeated until condition is
But-
true. Okay.
yes,
5 greater than 5 and 6 greater than 5. Okay. Here the condition is true. The loop will be terminated. So display high 5 times. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, Mani.
So in perform, I will tell you. Outline varying. So coming to this, declare a y variable with picture class 9 of 2 value 0. So here the perform para 1 varying I from 1 by 1 until I greater than 5. Okay. Now the control goes to initialization I from 1 I greater than 5. The control goes to para 1 and display high, first high. Control goes to increment by 1 I value to 2 greater than 5. Control goes to para 1 and display high. And control goes to increment by 1 3. Condition checking 3 greater than 5. Control goes to para 1 and display high. Like that loop repeat 5 greater than 5. 5 5 display statements high. 6 greater than 5. Condition true. Terminate the loop. Okay. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
So in this perform until, where is this again? So in this perform until program, so initialization is in one line and condition checking is in another line. Increment and decrement is in another line, right? Initialization, condition checking, increment and decrement are in different lines in perform until, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But in this perform varying, you can see perform varying I from 1 means initialization by 1 increment and decrement until I greater than 5 condition checking are in single line only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Initialization, condition checking, increment and decrement are in single line using perform varying. If you are using perform until, you can see initialization, increment and decrement condition checking with different lines. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Mani.
So here is the question. So print hello message 7 times. How many times hello message will be displayed? How many
7
times?
times.
7 times. 7 times.
7 times. So here the initialization should be begin from 12th position onwards in the forward direction. Forward means addition only. Okay. Clear? What?
Yes.
How many times hello message you want to print? 7 times.
7 times.
But previously you start I from which position? Perform varying I from 1 means you begin from the first position. Now you have to begin from the 12th position. Okay.
Yes.
So here initialization start from 12th position in the forward direction means forward means
Then
direction only. Okay. So tell me the condition for this. Anyone?
Move 7 to I.
Why 7?
Because
I
it said 7 times, right? To print hello.
So Gopal, can you please tell me?
money. Actually, like
No.
we have to print 7 times hello, and it
Yes.
should be start from 12. Okay,
Yes.
so we give the
Mm.
value starting as 12, and the n number of times we have to print is 7.
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the
Yeah.
condition you have to give? The condition, what is the condition you will give?
Okay. Means in the pairing statement, right?
Anything, but you have to tell the condition. So here the what is the condition? High greater than 5 means it will display
Yeah.
5 times. Okay. So
Okay.
now
Okay.
you have to display only 7 times. So your starting
Okay. So we can plus
initialization start
like
from the
okay,
12th.
we can do one thing. We can do one thing. We can give it should not be greater than 19.
Yeah,
It
okay.
should be start from 12 and not be greater than 19. Then it will print 7 times.
Okay. Please tell me the 18 is the answer, not 19. Okay.
Yeah, it should. Right.
You have to include
12.
12 also. 12,
Yeah. Yeah.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Yes.
Okay. So in perform until you can initialize the variable I. So moving 12 to I means you are starting from the 12th position. Okay. Now condition
Yes.
checking 12 greater than 18. Control goes to inside the loop and display hello. Add 1 to I. Now I value
Yes.
is 13. Control goes to condition checking 13 greater than 18. Control goes to inside the loop and display hello. Like that this loop will be repeated until this condition is false. Sorry, this
Yes, ma'am.
condition is true. 19 greater than 18. Okay. So hello message will be displayed 7 times. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Mani.
Shamla ma'am,
Yes, Mani.
clear or not?
Clear, Mani.
Okay. In the same program, we can write it in the perform varying also. Initialization start from I from 12 and increment by 1 and condition checking I greater than 18. Okay. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mani.
So I want to print this high message 9 times and initialization should be start from 19th one and it is in the backward direction. Okay. Now we have to do decrement. Why? Because
Yes, ma'am.
means in this question we are using backward direction. Okay. So what is the backward direction condition? What is the backward direction condition?
Yeah, we should change the less than in place of greater than. We
Mm,
can use less than.
yes. So moving I 19 to I means starting from the I and in the condition checking 19 less than 11 control goes to inside the loop and display high. Now subtract 1 from I means now I value is 18. Now control goes to condition checking 18 less than 11. Control goes to inside the loop and display high. Subtract 1 from I 17. 17 less than 11 until the condition is false means. So in which statement the condition is false? In which step the condition is false?
Sorry, man.
So what is the last step for this condition?
Uh, to be false, right?
Yes. Ah, true, true.
True.
Hmm.
It will be true when like 12, sorry, 10,
Hmm. 10?
10 is smaller than 11.
Yes. 10 less than 11. The condition is true and this perform loop will be terminated and high message will be displayed 9 times. Okay.
Yes.
So same program we can write it in the perform varying also. So perform varying I from 19 means starting from the 19 and decrement by 1 minus 1 until I less than 11. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes, Mani.
mm, so I want to print my name 10 times with by using operator less the without using I think without. Wait a second. So this is without. Okay. Without using less than and greater than operators, you want to print your name 10 times. Okay. So in perform until you can write initialization statement moving 1 to I, perform until I equal to 11. Without using less than or greater than operator, I am using equal operator. So initialization I value is 1, I equal to 11, condition is false, go to insert the loop and display hello. Okay. So adding 1 to I value is 2, go to condition statement, 2 is equal to 11, condition false, and go to insert the loop and display money. Add 1 to I value 3, go to condition checking, I value 3 equal to 11. So this loop will be repeated until this condition is true. So when 11 is equal to 11, this condition is true. This perform loop will be terminated. Money display money will be executed 10 times. Okay, clear or no?
Yes, Mani.
Yes.
So in the same way, you can write this program in the perform varying. Perform varying I from 1 by 1 until I equal to 11. Okay. So I can write in the same program in the n times also without using this operator using perform n times. I can write this perform 10 times. So this loop will be display statement will repeat 10 times display money. After 10 times this loop will be repeated, control goes to end perform. Okay. So this is your lab practice for today. So you have to complete these 5 programs in by using n times until varying. Okay, by using n times until varying 3 subtopics and by using inline performs only, not outline. Okay.
Okay.
How many programs? 5 into 3, 15 programs we have to complete.
How?